group name is
The Warriors.
so this represents Raffles' arrival, and the decreasing it is going down due to the war. Due to the war. So this represents Raffles' arrival to Singapore, and this represents what going down due to the population. The population of Singapore decreasing due to the war, and it stopped decreasing when Raffles assistant harshened the laws in Singapore and stopped the war. This thing continue running, and uh, it continue running, and we after the war it represents the afterlife of the war, and it okay, the Marvel